happening here. Number one, the power bag. I love this backpack. This is really cool stuff. What they thought of was the fact that they're going to put in a charging device, a battery, that goes in the backpack that enables you to carry and power up all of your devices while on the go. PowerMat is here. You may have heard of PowerMat before, where you can take your receiver case from a phone, place it on the PowerMat, and get charged. Or you can PowerMat devices like this, take it with you to get power to multiple devices at the same time. Nokia is here, and they have their Luna 900. This is getting a lot of attention with Windows on the device. You can see they have the nice tiles, beautiful screen here. Beautiful Super AMOLED screen on this device. Looks gorgeous, operates fast, and I think a lot of people are going to like this when this hits the store shelves. Last but not least, Sony came out with a unique design of a portable tablet that has two screens. Pretty neat. You can utilize both of these screens for watching content, playing games, pulling up your email. Pretty interesting design and unique device. The type of stuff that you see here at the Consumer Electronics Show. As you can tell, Deb, my voice is fading because the show is that exhausting. I'll have more when I get back at headquarters, all right? Until then, I'll see you from the CES 2012 Consumer Electronics.